this is Timique Skin Glow. Alright, today I'll be telling you how to use our luxury whitening oil for best results. In subsequent videos we'll talk about other products and how to combine them as well for best result. Now you must understand that skin whitening cannot be achieved overnight. It desires consistency and a perfect skincare routine. Now, this luxury whitening oil, when we say a product can help you achieve your skin whitening goal, this is what this oil does. This luxury whitening oil is a super effective whitening product that can help you achieve your skin whitening goal, and it's made of pure natural ingredients that are safe for your skin. This is not the kind of oil that stinks like your regular coconut oil, avocado oil, and this kind of oil. No, this oil penetrates your skin as quickly as possible, just as your body lotion would do. This oil is made of giga white, licorice, mulberry, alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, and other natural ingredients. It is a body oil and it should not be applied on your face. Just as it is written here, do not use on your face. Now, if you are using this oil, we advise you limit sun exposure. If you will be going out during the day and exposing your skin to the sun, then I think it's best to use it at night. Okay? When you start using whitening product and you go out in the sun, your skin becomes photosensitive. Okay, by that it means it easily attracts the ray of the sunlight to your skin, and that's what causes sunburn and then redness most time. So if you are using any whitening product, please limit sun exposure and try as much as possible to get a sunscreen to use during the day. Now, this oil should not be used on the face. It's a body oil only. That means you need a facial product, and that's where our facial cream comes in. You can use our half-caste facial cream or our Snow White facial cream. This facial cream is very good. This is what our upgraded half-caste facial cream looks like. This helps to treat hyperpigmentation, facial redness, sunburn, and any form of discoloration you have on your face. This product is strictly for fair skin and those who want to achieve skin whitening. Use it with the luxury oil and you're going to see amazing results. So for example, if you have discoloration on your face or sunburn on your face, we advise you start applying this facial cream on only that area you have sunburn for like a week. And then the second week, you can start rubbing it all over your face. This is because we want you to achieve a uniform complexion. If you have sunburn on your face and you're just rubbing this facial cream all over your face, your whole face will get lightening, it will get lighter, and the dark spot will take time to lighten. So if you start by lightening the dark area, it will now blend with your tone, and then you start rubbing it all over. I hope this is understood. So this is our upgraded half-caste facial cream. Very good, very effective, made of natural ingredients. And one more thing, this oil does not give you stretch mark, it does not give you thin skin, it does not give you green vein, it does not give you any kind of skin condition. As a matter of fact, if you have any stubborn dark area, it will lighten it for you, your nail, your knuckles, it will fade it over time. So for the soap, we have our molato whitening soap. It's our upgraded molato whitening soap. This is a big cup. Smells so nice, rich in papaya and carrots and other natural whitening powders active. And then we have our super whitening black soap. These are the soap you should use with this oil. Use any of them, it's fine. If you cannot go for, if your budget is beyond this, then you can go for the whitening black soap. This is the small cup. You either go, if you are the type, if you are a lover of black soap, please don't get me. If you're a lover of black soap, you use either of these two. Use our whitening black soap or the super whitening black soap. If you're a lover of molato soap, use the molato soap. It comes in small and big size. This is the small one. It smells really nice and it works so well. And this is the bigger size, okay? And Exfoliation is key. I keep saying it on this page. You have to. If you are not exfoliating your skin, trust me, you're wasting your skincare product. Because it will just be hanging there in your skin. It will not penetrate your skin to do the work it is supposed to do for you. Please, no matter how busy you are, create time for your skin. That's why I said you need a skincare routine. Skin whitening is not achieved overnight. You need time. You have to be committed to skin whitening. You need a perfect skincare routine and, above all, effective skincare product. That's why Timique Skin is here for you. We have our Spanish whitening scrub. It comes in different color, okay? It does the same thing. So whichever one you purchase from us, don't worry, it's still the same thing. You can see our Spanish whitening scrub. Very effective. Use it 2 days a week, at least. If you are the type that don't have time at all, make it a habit to please exfoliate your skin 2 days a week. Preferably at night. Don't exfoliate your skin in the morning and then you go out in the sun. It's not good. You will experience redness. Your skin will start. It will burn. It can also cause sunburn. When you exfoliate and you go out in the sun, your skin can be red, cause redness and sunburn. So please take note of that. Exfoliate at night. Use your skin whitening product at night. If you must use it during the day, please limit sun exposure. This oil is very effective. You don't need lotion. If you are using this oil alone with a scrub, face cream, and either of the soap, you will achieve skin whitening. Without a lotion, you will get that desired result. It's very effective, safe, and made of natural ingredients. To place your order, please click on the link in bio or send us a DM. We deliver worldwide. Thank you for choosing Timique Skin Glow.